Do you know that most business owners overpay taxes every year? And the reason that happens is because most business owners do not have the right information. They don't have the right tax planning strategy. They miss deductions, they miss credits, and they miss write-offs. Guess what? So if you're a business owner, you don't have to be losing money. You don't have to be overpaying taxes. Welcome to Office Hours with Victor Delerme. I'm a CPA, and my intention here is to give you the information that you need to hear in order for you to lower your taxes.
I'm an independent contractor with multiple 1099s. How can I best structure my business to save on taxes?
Welcome to the world of entrepreneurship. Okay, so you're an independent contractor and you have multiple 1099s. So I'm guessing that you have multiple clients and your clients are issuing you a 1099 for the services that you're providing to them, or you're selling a product, right? So typically I'm going to give you the answer that I normally provide to my clients when they're starting a business. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to make sure that you have the right business structure to run your business. And typically having an LLC gives you the right framework and the right structure for you to start a business. In addition to that, you want to make sure that you have the right business license and the right permits in order for you to conduct business. Okay, that could be in the state in which you live in, as well as the city in which you reside or your business is located. Okay, so as I said, you want to make sure that you are set up as an LLC. That gives you the right framework for most part to start a business. And then you want to make sure that you have the right tax structure in order for you to do that, right? Typically, if your income is in excess of $150,000, having an S-Corp as a tax election or being taxed as an S-Corp typically gives you the advantage that you need to have in order for you to have the right structure for you to minimize taxes.
Should I register as an LLC, S-Corp, or C-Corp based on my business size and income?
I hear that question all the time. Normally, small businesses typically want to set up an LLC, and that's with the state in which the business is located. And then for tax purposes, generally, an S-Corp would do it. But now let's talk about if you're raising money or if you're going to have many investors in the business, right? And you're going to have to issue shares in the business. So if you're going to issue shares in the business and you're going to raise capital and you're going to have multiple layers of investors, so common investors and preferred investors, generally, a C corporation would be the right vehicle for you to conduct your business. And the reason for that is because you are going to raise capital, and then you need to have multiple layers of shares, and a corporation will give you the structure for that.
I'm self-employed and file a Schedule C. What deductions should I take advantage of to lower my tax liability?
Well, generally, I don't recommend my clients to file a Schedule C, even if you are a single member LLC, unless you're running a very tiny business or a small startup, right? But let's say that you're starting a business, right? What are the most important things that you need to have in order for you to run a business that is small and you're trying to make that business to grow a little bit? I would focus primarily on growing the business, and that's typically marketing and advertising, right? So these are investments that at the same time are going to function as write-offs. So marketing and advertising are going to be deductions, but also are going to give you the support that you need in order for you to conduct business and help your business grow. Professional services, meals and entertainment, travel, cost of goods, cost of services. These are some of the expenses that you can run, that you can utilize in your business, but also function as a write-off.
I have both W-2 and 1099 employees in my business. How should I structure payroll to optimize taxes?
Congratulations. You have the best and the worst of both worlds. I'm only kidding. Okay, so you have W-2 employees and you have 1099s contractors. So the first thing I have to tell you is to make sure that the 1099 contractors are truly contractors and not employees. Otherwise, you can get in trouble with the IRS and also in the state in which you're running your business. But also congratulations, because then that means that you have people that are helping you grow your business and serve your clients and sell your products. So big clap for that. I know how hard it is to run a business. The important thing is that you issue the W-2s every year for your employees, so that way they can file their taxes. And then you file the 940s and the 941s with the IRS in order for you to report the wages and the taxes that you withheld for your employees. And then for your 1099 contractors, hey, you need to make sure that those 1099s are issued every year, right? So your employees get a W-2, your Contractors will get a 1099 and they would use that information to file their taxes. Some of the main differences between W-2s and 1099s is 1099 individuals, contractors do not have the withholdings that you would normally have for your employees. That information will be normally shown on the W-2s. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Victor Delerme, and I'll see you in the next one.